First of all, I would like to welcome all of you. Now let's move to the project part. The main theme behind our project is that most of the common mans have their single room which they can provide it for the rent for one day also, or for one hour also, we can say that. The main condition behind the person to be our host is that they had to provide the room at cheaper price as compared to the traditional competitors in the market. The main problem behind the traditional room renting system is that they charge extra for the thing which we are not in need of and which cost less than a penny, but still we had to buy it because we are in need of their room. This strategy will not only help us to survive in the market but also help us to uproot other existing giant competitors, because we will charge only for the room and we will not give them extra thing until and unless they ask from us for that. Moving on to the requirement part, we will require a web server for hosting our website, and we will require web browser, operating system, computer system, and user for running our website at client side. In design part, our project is basically divided into 8 modules, which are index, house, hotel, hostel, college hostel, car renting, and restaurant. In design part, first of all, we will see the type of host. Basically, the host is of 3 types. The one who will provide room, second one is the one who will provide food, and third one will provide the car to the visitor, which will help him to reach to the room from the railway station, but it is purely optional. The role of the host can also be performed by the hostel or hotel owners also, those who have some rooms vacant, but the condition is that they had to avoid the useless thing and also had to compete with the local host, which is providing the room at much cheaper price than that of theirs. In design type, now we will move to the customer section. The customer can be any person. There is no restriction behind the customer is that the customer can randomly surf our website to view the room available in the city. For booking the room, she had to first register and then log in. The customer can also use filter to tell the constraint like that of his budget. The customer is not bound to use car, room, or food from our website itself only. For implementation of our project, we are currently using XAMPP software to develop our website. We are working on the front end of the project using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and backend with the help of PHP and MySQL. Currently, we have completed 3 modules of our project, and very soon we will complete our whole project. After completion of the project, our project will pass to the following testing phases, and these testing phases are functional testing, usability testing, interface testing, compatibility testing, performance testing, and security testing. At this developing stage, we cannot exactly able to predict the cost of the project, but from the other established business, we have inferred that we would require $8,000 to $56,000 to make our project into a business. We have planned for the future enhancement also. At present, we will launch our project for only Bhopal, but extend in future for other cities and villages as well. Secondly, we will include machine learning and AI also to our project to predict the interest of the user and rather show room according to his or her interest. Now concluding the whole chunk, this project will do wonders after getting launched. This will help common man to get same type of room rental services at very cheaper price as compared to the traditional system, and establishing businesses like a cakewalk for us, and this will help us to uproot other existing competitors very easily. For building our website, we had took help from this website usersnap.com. This is our reference. This This project is made by Lalit Bokde, roll number 50, Akshat Yaduvanshi, roll number 12, and Ashutosh Shukla, roll number 30, under the guidance of Parul Khatri ma'am. Well, this is all. Thank you.